guys. Had a little bit of a break there. 3 weeks, a month, something like that. I don't know. We're back at it. Remember that big dump truck I was talking about? It's actually a garbage truck, and it's this one. Underneath this, which I have this put up here so I know where to cut, because I don't want to take too much off. Anyway, underneath this is complete and utter rot. That's just the bottom. You're like, oh, that don't look too bad. Oh, I see. Sticky up in there. But anyway, got that mocked up. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay a line across the top here. Take the old cut-off wheel, cut this baby off, excuse me, and we'll get her going. Now I've had the other side done for roughly a month now, and it was a bit of a time crunch, so I didn't have time to record it, because they don't tell you is trying to do camera work and trying to do work they don't go together. So what I want to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this score mark, because I can't find my marker, so we're gonna use this. I'm gonna score it across, we'll take that down, and then we'll finish the cut. This will go by really fast for you guys. It's gonna suck for me. Where's the juice? Responsible for a lot of hospital trips. I'm sorry, does anybody else have anything jank like this? Or is it just me? I feel like I should probably not use this, but it works. Now we've got that scored successfully. Timu, like $3. They're for barbecue, welding today. There'll be a video on this stuff later. Take this bad boy up off of here. Set that off to the side. Now you see why I'm doing this. Raunchy. That's what living in the Midwest to do for you. So next what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this cut down through here, because this is all, we will go from there. Right. Now we got the top cut free. Gonna cut that side down. Can I do this one-handed safely? Let's find out. Hopefully that wasn't too boring for you guys. Let's see. I can't pop this out. Oop. Literally. As you can see, wasn't much holding her in there. All right. We got her all cleaned up. Took a lot more grinder action than I like to do, but she's done. Not done. It's here. So yeah. Fun fact. That's not good. I already have the piece cut too. Yay! Ran the grinder on it, because I came through and tapped all these with a hammer to make sure there's no, structural. And apparently I didn't tap this one hard enough, because I came through to clean the paint off. What you're supposed to do. Came through, clean the paint off, and I watched it chip it, and I was like, oh, okay, it's just a chunk of steel. No. It was a hole. So now I get to make a patch for that and blend it in with this piece, which I can do. It's okay. So now we have to go get some tools. Alright, y'all. Got the batteries disconnected back there. Got the ground off. And the hot, because I'm not about to be the one responsible for that. Alright. Gonna drag the welder over here and we're gonna get her tacked up, I think. We're at that level. Yeah, sounds good. See you then. Alright, we got the welder out. It's not convenient anymore because it's massive. Okay, the welder's not massive. It is. It's the skyscraper tank I put on the back of this thing. It doesn't even fit. But I got tired of running back and forth to the old hardware store to get it filled, so I just went big or I went home. I went big and went home. Alright, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put on my Temu welding gloves. Godspeed. Put the old Protectron 6000s on. Go all the way up the arm. Get in there deep. Nope. Shouldn't say stuff like that. Alright. Bagged at the fur. It isn't for outside, but you know what? If you're skilled enough and patient enough, you can make it work. And in there. Now I'm gonna pay for it right here. Alright, yeah, see, just like that. It's so freaking easy. A toddler can do it. I don't recommend kids weld. To make sure you put too many tacks on it, so if you have to cut it off, it just sucks. That's just... Don't be part of the problem, be the problem. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Bad advice today. Anyway. Let's see how this doesn't fit. Ah! Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. It fits. Gosh darn it, I hate when I'm right. Alright. Wait, no. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. No. Ooh. Put the marker light back in it. Yeah, we'll just go measure that later. Put this on now. No, marker light first. Almost made a substantial boo-boo there. Almost ran that sucker without its wire back through there. That would have blew chunks. Let's go ahead and drill that out real quick. Impact rated bits are a godsend. Stay there, little feller. Hold on tight. After we're done. Alright, so now we're gonna get the bottom in there and tack it up, and it's gonna be a nightmare because on the bottom of this thing she's quite rusty. There's nothing I can do unless I took the entire floor out, and we ain't doing that. That's way... Get out. All right, this is what I was talking about. Put enough tacks on it so it sucks to cut back off. If you could see in there, see the rise up, how it runs up. I need that to be flush, like right there. So that's got to come off, that whole lip. I don't know how I oversighted that. Same here. Yay. So now I get to go underneath it with a cutoff wheel, a death disc, if you could say. If I don't make it, I love you guys. Probably won't see this if I don't. If you see this video, I'm alive. Okay. Okay. Got it all tacked in. The only problem is that center bracket was holding everything out because it's so jank. I ended up crawling underneath there at the angle grinder. That was fun. And I cut it enough to scoot it back, but it's not, it's keeping it from sitting up. And you know me, not wanting to shy away from doing things weirdly. I'm gonna make it work.